In this video, we're going to introduce you a home-use gasless welding machine. On the front panel, there are 7 indicators sending signals under different modes. This is to show under lift-take mode. This under MMA mode. This under gasless MIG mode with wire of 0.8 millimeters. And this is under gasless MIG mode with wire of 1.0 millimeters. This one means the power is on. This means over temperature or abnormal. This one means the machine is under MIG mode with synergic operation. This is a function knob for mode and wire selection. Lift-TIG, MMA, gasless MIG with different welding wire diameters. Please pay attention, synergic mode is only available under gasless MIG. These 2 parameter knobs are for voltage and current value setting. Please be noted that the LED meter only displays current. Now let's try gasless MIG mode. Adjust the current to 99 amp. Pay attention to the connection. Using 1 millimeter of welding wire to weld 2 millimeters of iron plate. Let's start with MMA. Adjust the current to 120 amp. Pay attention to the connection. Using 2.5 millimeters welding stick to weld 20 millimeters of iron plate. Now let's see how it performs.